Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can trade players in Madden 27. All you gotta do, simply go to Creation Center, and over here we need to select the option Edit Rosters, then select Trade Players. Right here you have two sections, Trade Away and Trade For. So in the Trade Away, we need to basically choose the player which we would like to trade. So for the sake of this video, let's say even you can change the team by holding LT or L2 if you don't know. So let's say if we go to Titans and I want to trade this player, so I can simply select him, and then we need to go to trade form. So here you need to choose the player which should be moved to other team. So again, I'm gonna change the team by holding LT or L2 like this. You can change the position as well by holding RT or R2 like this. We're gonna select quarterback, and you can simply choose the play which should be moved to other team. Similarly guys, you can trade multiple players, but for the sake of this video we'll stick with this only. Now in order to start the trade, we just need to press the option button and simply select the option yes. Now before we exit, we need to save the changes. So for that you have to hit the back button and select the option save changes. Right here you can select new, and you can simply enter the name to your file, and you can simply save the changes just like that. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you'll able to trade players in Madden NFL 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.